Go. What's that? Is that Mommy in the kitchen? Is she making some loud noises? She's making dinner for you, buddy. Good boy. Let's see if you can climb up. Good. You gotta get a little closer, I think. A little closer. Almost there. Almost there. Good. You're doing it. Oh no, sorry. I didn't mean to distract you. There you go. Right back to it. There, good. Now, can you climb up? Good. Good. You're almost there. You're doing it all by yourself, buddy. Grab up there. Not the computer. Yeah, right there. Good. Pull yourself up. Oh, almost. Go, 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 go. Yay! Yay! I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.